Hello, everybody. My name is Mangle, and I am the head coach of College Yayasan Saat KOS Ramos rugby team under 18 for 2025 Super School competition. Welcome and greetings from beautiful view here at the College Yayasan Saat Malacca.
Okay, Coach, may I ask you three questions about your preparation for the 2025 Super School Rugby Tournament? The first question is, in terms of player development, which technical and tactical aspect do you emphasize the most to ensure the team remains competitive throughout the tournament?
Well, winning primary possession and secondary possession is always the areas of concern that always work with the boys. And apart from that, um, always introduce the zone system and the objectives where the players will understand and will help them to for them to make decision in the field without the coach. So those are the areas that I always emphasize: is winning the primary possession, secondary possession, and introducing the zone system and objectives.
Okay, the second question, as the head coach, what are your expectations for the team this season? And what is the main goal you wish to achieve with the players?
Well, um, improvement is more important to me than anything else, and we only we always take one game at a time. So performance of the players is very important for me. Um, what I'm looking at for this year is to improve from the last year's performance, and we're preparing for it. And yeah, we're looking forward to it. And another thing is this year uh, we are giving everybody the opportunity to have a go. So variations of players from each game to each game is more important to me, so that everyone have an opportunity to experience the beauty of the Super School 2025 competition.
Okay, the last question is, what do you see as the key players in the team this season and what are their strengths?
Um, there are a few key players that I've always treat everyone the same, but there are some few outstanding players that I'm looking at for the likes of our prop Aryan and Firas, Ponga. They are very good in making decision, and they have the ability to beat the defenders using their skills. Yeah, but I trust everybody. I trust the whole team. Everybody in the team. I trust everyone. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Coach.
Thank you very much. All the best.